everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to rank the top 5 most unexpected moments in Skibidi Toilet history. You could also say that these are the most top 5 plot twist moments in the Skibidi Toilet history. But it's kinda different, so I'm gonna call it the unexpected moments. So let's start the video. And at top 5, it is the Speaker Titan and the Speaker race. If you all don't know, this was the second race to ever appear in Skibidi Toilet history. And ever before, there was only one race, which was the Cameraman race, which was not really that powerful, so that's why we needed Speaker Man to help us. And when the Speaker Man appeared, this was the most craziest moment ever seen, which we still remember in our hearts. Because if not for them, we have been cooked by now. Because the only hope we had was another race. Because the Cameraman's Titan was down, all the agents were almost at the losing point. And of course, G-Man and the other mutants were in full health, which could mean nothing but chaos. But luckily, Speaker Man came to help and helped us a lot. Well, the Speaker race helped us a lot, but the Titan was the main one who was helping us. Although I admit that the Titan Speaker Man is not the strongest Titan, but he kept the G-Man and the other toilets scared that they still have a Titan left to fight, which is enough to keep the Skibidi Toilet mutants away. So that's of course why the Speaker Man race was really important. But of course, unfortunately, at number 4, we've got the Titan Speaker Man infecting movement. Of course, the most annoying thing in Skibidi Toilet history is the parasites, which basically takes control of any agent they stick to, and that includes Titans, which in my opinion is just broken. I mean, imagine Titans in Skibidi Toilet hands and their own Titans with them. That's overkill to Skibidi Toilet. And the first Titan to fall prey to these parasites was the Speaker Titan, of course, which was the most painful and the most difficult arc for us, because the only Titan we had was also infected now, and the Speaker race was screwed, and they went into hiding because they of course had to avoid being their Titan. I mean, getting killed by their Titan. And they couldn't kill him as well because of course that's their Titan. They can't kill their leader as well. So their only help was the Parasite Disfector, which proved to be pretty useful against normal agents, but against Titans it was not useful at all. Even the tank wasn't powerful enough to bring him down. And if you ask me, this was the most intense battle ever seen in Skibidi Toilet history, where the Titan Speaker Man was infected from episode 32 to episode 57, which is a pretty long time that Titan Speaker Man has troubled us. And of course, the Titan Cameraman was the one to bring the parasite down. And of course, now at number 4 is the Skibidi Toilet episode 57 moment, which was the most intense episode ever seen, where the Titan Cameraman was fighting against multiple enemies at the same time, and he won anyways, which of course even Titan Seminar Man couldn't do. And of course, the most unexpected twist here was the Titan Speaker Man curing. No one thought that Titan Speaker Man could be cured again, because of course after the upgrades we of course thought that we were screwed and the Skibidi Toilets are going to win anyways. But of course the table turned and Titan's Cameraman helped us to disinfect Titan Speaker Man, which proved to be the most crucial moment of the history, because of course Titan Speaker Man is a huge part of the Alliance and one of the most versatile Titan there is, which is not weak at all and shouldn't be considered weak at all in Titans. And of course, he's got the best glow up so far. He realized his mistake that he was infected and killed his own allies, and of course he repaid it with his betrayal. And he took revenge from Skibidi Toilets. Next, the second moment, the most unexpected moment, was in episode 72, which is of course the G-Man Toilet winning against Astro Toilets. There is of course one thing that we expected, that Jimmy is going to lose and is screwed there. But of course Jimmy got cheeky and win there, because as we saw in episode 71 that the Astro Toilet is no joke. He can even counter the Titan TV Man's blades and his attacks. And his claw was no joke. His weapons are truly powerful enough to bring down G-Man Toilet. But Jimmy got cheeky and won anyways. He was the most cheeky character ever to be seen, because of course he chose the most zesty moves there is to basically maybe play dirty and hit him with his shield and many more things. He was about to get killed at the last moment, but he unlocked his new ability, which is Ultrasound, which is even stronger than the Titan Speaker Man's, which is just crazy. Which also concerns me that this demon could be fake, but of course it's not. And this was the strongest demon we've seen so far. And this battle was actually intense. But he won anyways. And now there's the last moment, which was the most expected one, which is of course Titan TV Man losing against Juggernaut Toilet. Because of course the confidence we saw in Titan TV Man was overwhelming, where he was confident enough that he can beat Juggernaut Toilet toilet, but of course lost horribly against him, which was truly disappointing and very sad for us. But of course the G-Man came to help him and he's still alive. Maybe he is or not, because he got infected over. He could be considered the most unlucky character there is because he has endured a lot. But still, that was the most unexpected moment there is. And that's all. I'm gonna meet you in the next video.